Welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about future continuous tense. So let's get started. So let me write the name of the tense. What is the tense, David? Future continuous tense. Now let me write the structure for this tense. Let me write it here. Structure, it will contain subject first, then remember in future continuous tense shall or will auxiliary verb will be taken here, plus we will be taking be verb here. Then you are going to take the main verb number 1 and you are going to add ing at the end of the main verb. So look, we have written the structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus here shall will always come here. It will be shall or will. Any one of these auxiliary verb will be there in the sentence of future continuous tense. If you do not take shall or will, then it will not be a sentence of future continuous tense. Remember this. Now here in this sentence future continuous tense, we take the we verb here, then we take the main verb here, but with main verb we are going to add I and G here. Okay, so this is the structure of future continuous tense. Now let us try to write the conjugation for this tense. So in order to write the conjugation we need a main verb here. So we are going to take any one of the main verbs present in English. Let me take the main verb think here. Okay, now we are going to construct the conjugation. In order to construct the conjugation, we need to draw the table. So what is the table here? What will be the table here? The table will contain first person here, and below it we have the second person, and below the second person we have the last one, which is third person. Okay, let me draw this vertical line. Let me again draw a vertical line here. So there will be two more columns here. The first column will be for singular number. Let me tell you, the singular number refers to only single person. Here it will be plural number. Now we are going to write the subjects here, right? So the first subject will be the first person singular subject will be I, as you know, and we is the plural subject here. And the next is you, and here also it is you. And below the second person we have he, she or it. Any one of these subject will be here in third person singular number, and they are collectively called plural number subject. It is they. Okay, I think that you have written. Yeah. Now follow the instruction, follow the structure given to you. The structure given to you is subject, so we have already written the subjects here. I, you, he, she, it, we, you and they. They are all subject. This is the subject's place. The first place is for subject, then what comes? Any one of these two auxiliary verbs should be placed here. So, what has been instructed to you? Which one are you supposed to place here?
Shell.
Here I always take shall here, and we also take shall here, right? And rest of them will be taking will here. So I am writing will. So I also write will here, and this third person singular number will also be taking will, and the plural also will be taking will here. Now time for us to put this be verb. Look, be verb is always required in order to make it continuous tense, remember. If you do not put this one, then what will happen? Look, suppose I shall what? Thinking. It is not possible. Understood? There is ing, so there should be a helping V verb here, right? Okay. So therefore, let me put all of them. Let me put the be in all of them. So I have written be here in all of them. Okay, I have finished. Now let us go for the main verb here. What is the main verb here? Think. So let me write here. What is the first form of think? It is think itself. Next, the verb number 2 of think is what? It is thought. Am I right? And third one is also thought, right? And what about the fourth one? It will be thinking. So this verb number 1 plus ing will be here, so it will be thinking. So write it. It will be I shall be thinking. Moi bhabi thakim. We shall be thinking. Ami bhabi thakim. And here you will be thinking. That means tumi bhabi thakiba. And you will be thinking. That means tumaloke bhabi thakiba. And in the third, it will be he, she, it will be thinking. That means teo ki bhabi thakibo. They will be thinking. Teolok bhabi thakibo. Okay, Debbie, have you finished?
Yes.
So we have written, we have constructed the conjugation by taking the verb think in the tense future continuous tense, right? So we have done like this. So I think that you have understood. So with that we come to the end of this video. In our next class we will be talking about the future perfect tense. So till then, goodbye.